Guys, it's Kaden Miner, and today we're going to be playing Escaping the Prison. And I watched this on YouTube, and I saw how it was, so I just wanted to play it.
Oh, yeah. Here you go. Not read it, but you've got a package.
I wonder what's in there.
Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful. Haven't we, Dave? What? Yeah. Of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job. I don't want to lose my job. See you around. Free to go.
Oh, so... Look.
I'm getting him some shoes right now.
Let's see the drill. Oh, crap. What does this do? Just move the blue slider right when you become opaque and you see through for only good faults. If you do not only that, but you're more opaque, you get the easier it get for you to pass through solid objects. Oh gosh. Whoa, next. This dude fell out the atmosphere. Oh crap. Alright. Crowbar. What? What in the world? Did I do something? What if I just run straight to the wall? Oh, wait, get ready for what? Oh, get ready for what? Get ready for what? Alright, what am I gonna press? Oh, come on. Alright, I gotta do this again. Alright, so let's... do a backflip. Alright. Tap. Oh crap. That's awesome. Oh. Dude. That's fly. Get out of my way. Alright. Let's try a different ending. Let's use our rocket launcher. That gotta hurt. What about the energy drink? What kind of sound effect was that? Oh, this boy got super strength. Wait, why is it red? What just happened? happen. NRG side effects include nausea, headaches, rapid heart rate, and possibilities of stroke or heart attack. Well, that's good to know. Alright. Let's use a file. What's the window gonna do? Okay, that didn't work at all, so let's use it still though. Oh no. Boy, get out my way. Boy, get out my way. Oh, taste him.
Hey, he's escaping.
Oh crap. Ooh, burn off. Well, grenades. I'm about to use a chair. She died. Okay. Welcome. So, I'm about to do it. Alright. So, let's go right. So let's use plungers. I just like how they make the Stickman game so funny. Yeah. Alright. Let's see the teleporter. Wow. Can't believe it. What about the cell phone? You used to call me on my cell phone. December 9th, 12 p.m.
Isaiah, here!
53.
Witness, please continue your testimony. Okay. I was riding alongside my partner, the armored man. Suddenly, spotted a bag on the side of the road. Got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the other. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there. Objection! So, the defendant crawled into that bag in order to break into the bank. Is that correct? Is it not obvious?
Can I have one?
Is it really that obvious? I have proof that the defendant didn't hide himself in that bag. Well then, what are you waiting for? Present this evidence already.
Alright, tape, security footage. Present.
What is this? It's evidence. And how exactly does this prove anything? Well, I was just kidding. Let me try. This is no time for jokes.
Alright, let's try again. A shovel? What's this going to do?
What is this? It's evidence. And how exactly does this prove anything? Well, I was just kidding. Let me try. This is no time for jokes.
Yeah, let's try this again. A letter received from the detective. 9 minutes and 40. Alright, let's present this.
What is this? It's evidence.
Is he gonna say the same thing over and over?
How exactly does this prove anything?
Let's try this.
What is this? It's evidence. And how exactly does this prove anything?
And again.
I was just kidding.
Man, alright. I gotta pick between these two. Oh, wait, this probably works.
Is that the bag the defendant hid in? Yes, but there's one thing that's been bothering me. If the defendant really was hiding in the bag, then how did he tie the knot from the outside of the bag? What? If he was inside the bag, it'd be impossible for him to tie that knot on the outside. simple. He didn't. What are you saying? I'm saying my client wasn't hiding that bag at all. He was stuffed in there. By this very witness! What? As you can see by this doctor's analysis, the defendant had taken quite the beating.
True.
While he was in the bag, he was unconscious. This is absurd. The witness was attempting to dispose of the body.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, come on.
On the way back to the bank. When the witness and his partner passed the bag, he convinced his partner to throw the bag in with the others. But why would he do that? Why? To dispose of the body, of course. There were millions of bags of money in that bank, and the witness knew it would take a long time before the victim was found. But unfortunately for the witness, his victim woke up and tried to escape from his tomb. He was arrested on the spot, and the witness thought everything was over. Let's come back to haunt him now. You guys can't be happening to me! Well, that certainly was an interesting trial. However, I'm now ready to deliver my verdict. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
Yes! I'm free. Don't, bro. I can't believe it. Alright, so this is the end of this YouTube video. And make sure to blast that like button. And I hope you enjoy it.